Find out those chartbuster ideas from Kunal and Nooresh, who joined right back in. Kunal, let's start off with you. What's the chartbuster call for the day?
Well, it's on Gujarat Gas and more to do with the long-term trends for the stock and especially on the charts where I've mapped one of the indicators, which is the Ichimoku indicator, generally tends to give a sense on how the long-term trends have shaped up. Now, interestingly, the stock, on the long-term charts had earlier come out of a major cloud formation. So as you can see in 2018-19, the stock had come out of a cloud formation. What this resulted was the stock going into a multi-year uptrend. And from a point when the stock was almost at 300 levels towards a point in the next 3 years when the stock had come back towards 700, 750 mark. Then we saw the stock going into a time-wise, price-wise correction from 750 back towards the 350 odd mark. It spent almost the last 1.5 odd year in this range closer to 350 as a support for the stock. But as you can see that the stock very recently has managed to give a breakout of such a kind of a cloud formation, and this generally indicates that a major long-term trend could be on the upside for the stock, which means that one should be looking at a decent phase of correction to try and enter the stock from a long-term play. If you look at the previous instance, we could be looking at least a 2 to 3 year kind of a strong uptrend coming into the stock, Gujarat Gas.
Okay, that's Gujarat Gas and Kunal's radar. Nooresh, what's the chartbuster that you've identified?
So chart for care ratings. The stock has been a slow and steady uptrend over the last 1 year as such. In the last few months, it made a classical triangle formation, which gave a breakout yesterday. Good price volume action, a good trend across the last few months as well as in the near term or short term breakout. Expecting this to see a move towards 1200 to 1400. Stop loss to be placed at 950.
Right, okay, let's talk some trading ideas as well for the day. Kunal, what's on your list?
So two buy calls. The first one is about J&K Bank. That's a stock which has confirmed a breakout on swing patterns. So targets are 144, stop loss at 132. And second would be about JB Chemicals. That's a stock which is going through a bounce from the 50-day moving average. So good risk reward play at here. Targets of 1705, stop loss at 1600.
All right, let's find out those individual recommendations from you, Nooresh. What is it looking good on the charts today?
So first is a buy on Lemon Tree itself, which continues to look positive. New 52-week highs here. Stop loss at 133, target price of 155 plus. Second is a buy on Tech Mahindra, hitting new 52-week highs. Stop loss at 1370, target price of 1500.
Thanks.